Hamburg, sometimes rough and salty, windy and wet, or tempting and sweet. Discover the sweet side of Hamburg. We all love chocolate. The bittersweet taste, its delicate smoothness. The feeling of happiness. For chocoholics by heart. Fun-loving travelers. All sweet tooths, big and small. And everyone with a low blood sugar. We ourselves are the biggest chocoholics and love every aspect of it. Experience how bitter beans are turned into sweet gold. Race through chocolate heaven. And take a piece of it home with you.